Good day everyone, I am Raj Neves from BSN1 Henderson, and today we are going to dissect the pig's kidney, then identify its parts and their function afterwards. So let's start. So as you can see, we already have our medical gloves and our other equipment. So let's start by identifying the external parts of the kidney. So this is the renal capsule. The renal capsule is a thin fibrous membrane that surrounds each kidney and helps to protect it. Next is the renal hilum. It is a concave indentation located in the middle of the kidney. It is the point at which the renal artery, renal vein, and the ureter enter and leave the kidney. The renal hilum acts as a gateway for blood and urine to enter and exit the kidney, and it is essential for the kidney to perform its primary function of filtering the blood and producing urine. Next is the renal vein. This is the renal vein. The renal vein carries blood from the kidneys back to the heart. Another one is the renal artery or renal arteries. The renal artery carries blood from the aorta to the kidney to supply them with the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. Lastly is the ureter. The ureter is a tube that carries the urine from the kidneys to the bladder for storage and eventual elimination from the body. After identifying the external parts and its function, we are now going to dissect our kidney. After dissecting our kidney, we are now going to identify the internal parts or the three regions of the kidney. First is the renal cortex. The renal cortex is the outer layer of the kidney and is located between the renal capsule and the renal medulla. Its main function is to filter the blood to form urine, and it also aids in the reabsorption of essential substances from the urine back into the bloodstream. Next is the renal medulla. The renal medulla is the region located inward from the cortex. It includes the cone-shaped renal pyramids. These are the fibrous or striped triangular zones in the medulla that contain the collecting ducts, which collects urine from the kidney tubules of the nephrons in the cortex. Lastly is the renal pelvis. This is the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis is a funnel-shaped structure located in the center of each kidney. It is responsible for collecting urine from the nephrons and then transporting it to the ureters. The renal pelvis is made up of smooth muscle walls that helps to propel and regulate the flow of urine. It also helps to regulate the chemical composition of the urine by reabsorbing certain substances from the urine back into the body. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.